Okay, now here we have is a spice which can be grown in any part of India. Okay, so that is the kurkuma. Yeah, or the haldi or the turmeric. So once we have the plant, after 7 months, when the plant dies off, so that's when we harvest the root or the rhizome. So now the turmeric has curcumin, which is now used for cancer treatment or for Alzheimer's or dementia or for arthritis, and it's also known as a lady's medication. Like by nature, abdominal pains. Take a pinch of the turmeric, add it to a yes. Yeah. So now in Germany, curcumin is used to treat cancer, while in while in Australia, curcumin is used to treat dementia or Alzheimer's. While in our food, and in USA, curcumin is used for treatment of arthritis.
And I think there's not many cancer.
Yes, so that's why this is Ayurveda, ladies' problem. Ayur means life, Veda, science or knowledge of life. So that's how spices can be used as